Hello, everybody. My name is Kenneth Moore. I'm from a small town down south of Fond du Lac called Waupun, more commonly coined as Prison City, as we have three active prisons within the city. There's the Walls, Dodge Correctional, and John C. Riley within the city. I've been interested in law enforcement for about 4 to 5 years now. I was talked to by some deputies and they introduced me to their Explorers program. It's been a really, really nice program. I've been able to make a lot of connections in there. You get a lot of connections within the department, and you're able to make some friends through it as well, which is definitely nice. Um, I've always been kind of an outdoorsman. I hunt, I fish, I work on motors. As of right now, I've got a ATV that I'm fixing up, and as it's nice as they are legal to drive on the road in my town. Um, I have a large interest in law enforcement as well as welding. I'm currently pursuing both this and possibly a job for welding, just kind of as a contingency plan. I'm very excited to be in the post. I've been looking at Fox Valley for quite a few years now. Always been told that they're kind of the best of the best for criminal justice, and I didn't really want to follow my family's path of all 4 years. My dad's a vet. My mom's IT. My two sis. I have three sisters. Two of them are abroad, and one of them is in healthcare. And healthcare's never been a thing that's drawn me towards it, nor is a 4 year, and that's why 2 years is a real nice thing. Plus, I can continue to work and keep getting my education. Everybody, yeah, have a good day.